Welcome back as we next discuss greasing procedures. The most common method of greasing is injecting using a grease gun. Another method is called grease packing, which involves filling a bearing. In this demonstration, we shall demonstrate a greasing procedure using a handgun. However, much of the detail also applies to any other greaser. Machines like this motor grader have several greasing points. The principles of greasing any machine, however, are similar to those we'll demonstrate. First, we must find and then clean all the grease nipples. Cleaning is important. It prevents dirt being injected into a bushing. Next, we clean the nozzle of the grease gun. The nozzle is now pushed firmly onto the nipple, where it will lock on. The grease gun is now pumped, and new grease is injected into the joint. Old grease will be forced out of the joint as the new grease replaces it. Greasing is sufficient once we see new grease emerging. Excess grease should be wiped away from the nipple. You may sometimes experience a blocked grease nipple, where grease simply blows out around the connector. Or you may even come across a broken nipple. In either case, it is a simple matter of replacing the damaged nipple with a new one of the correct size and type. You may at some time come across this type of grease nipple, which is called a button nipple. Where necessary, you will have to remove the nozzle from a grease gun and fit a coupler as demonstrated here. The coupler can now be connected by sliding it onto the button and grease be injected in the normal way. After the break, we'll look at bearings and their lubrication methods.